Day 2 at Disneyland Paris, and guess what? It's spitting. It's also a chunky spit again today. So we're back in the max. Everybody's got a little shoe protectors on, look at her. She's having a great time splashing in the puddles. We are just at Disney Village. We're checking out one of the new stores. This shop is called Disney Style, I believe. It's really nice. Kind of gives you an idea of what the rest of the village is going to look like once it's finished with the refurb. But it's basically like bags and clothes. Oh, that's really cute. It's nice in here, isn't it? Some cute PJs. It's really nice. Boo! You're miserable this morning. Right, heading over here, I've just seen some Mickey Mouse. Oh, this is Minnie, not Minnie. Mickey Mouse, where are you? Over there. I love this vintage stuff. Look, that's so cool. Really loving this minimal embroidery stuff. Not a big fan of like the big kind of graphic-y things. It's really cool. And they got a little Groot there and Rocket. €36 they are. And then this, I can't remember what this one's called. I'll have a look on the way out. But this sells Pandora and more bags, and they've got some Disney watches and clothes. So that shop that sells all the Pandora and the clothes and that is called Disney Glamour. Plan for right now is to head to the train and get the train round to maybe Fantasyland and then get on some of the the smaller rides for Everly. Choo choo! We're going on the train. Woo woo!
Voici Frontierland. Pendant le trajet, veuillez vous plaît, veuillez ne pas fumer.
And the opening of the doors, don't forget to pass your games. Thank you very much. Une journée magique à Disneyland Paris. We wish you a magical day.
Look who's got a baby Sven. Everly, wanna give him a kiss? No. Ah, absolutely rinsed in the Emporium. We're starving now, so we're gonna go and get some of those amazing chicken nuggets that we had last time. We've just stopped by Bella Nottia or something like that, and we've got, it was a Mickey Mouse Kids Pizza. Everybody's living her best life, she loves pizza. And you get, for the kids meal, you get a juice and like a dessert, and we just went for the apple pouch. Go on then, splash! We're not sure about going on the train, but we're gonna try it anyway. Where's that brave girl gone? This way. Go on then. Oh, sorry.
Thank you.
Thank you. Go on.
Ya, que es que la puerta es una sorpresa. Tienes que verla.
Al mismo sitio.
Are we in the maze? Are you going? Is that nice? Nice. We're just at the bake shop on Main Street and we're getting a vegan cookie and a beignet. Yum yum. Thank you. This is what it looks like. I've not tried it before, so I'll let you know the the score. It's Mickey! It's Mickey! Waving! Yeah! You're blowing them a kiss. Hi. The parade was wicked. It was so lovely, and those reactions from Everly was just, I'll remember that forever. We've just popped into the Rainforest Cafe for a quick dinner. So I'm gonna go for this pulled pork burger. Had this last time and it was absolutely amazing. It really shocked me how good it was, so I'm really hoping it lives up again. And Steve's gonna have, he had this Rasta pasta and he also said it was like really amazing, so we've got high hopes that it's gonna be as good this time. Oh, should I let you colour? But you're doing so well on your drawing.
Didn't even go out the lines.
I know, you're doing so well.
I don't know. I didn't know.
Wow. So, food's come. This is my burger. Looks yummy. We went for the cheeseburger meal for Everly, and then that's Steve's Rasta pasta. Looks so nice. Put them on, Ev. She's asking the elephants if they want to. Let's see. Let me see. Wow. You'll go. No, you just wear them.
Eat it.
Is your dinosaur eating the plants? Go on then, nom nom.
Love it.
Yum.
Nom 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 nom. Slow down. With your dinosaur.
Oh, bouncy. Bouncy.
Next one. Next one.
Dinner was really nice at the Rainforest Cafe. It didn't disappoint. She's seen this dinosaur toy on the way home and she's obsessed with it. So we're just having a slow walk back to the hotel now, and we're going to have a bit of an early night, ready for day 3 tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going to head to the studios part and do a couple of the shows hopefully, and Steve really wants to go on Tower of Terror. Get him, Everly! Get him! So that's the plan tomorrow.
His mum. Go!
No, no, no! I've been chased by a dinosaur! No! No! Dinosaur's gonna get me! Well, that was an eventful walk back, nearly getting got by a dinosaur. We're nearly back at the hotel now, so I'm gonna say goodbye and we'll see you tomorrow in video 3 for a day at Disneyland Paris studio side. Bye!